Welcome to the new section of Shell Scripting Basics. That's where we actually will learn what really a shell scripting is, what are its basics, like, starting from ABC or 1, 2, 3. So that's where we're going to start. So let's see what exactly are we going to cover in this entire section. So we will start with kernel, what exactly kernel is and how does it interact with the shell. And is there a kernel, an operating system, and how does it interacts with your hardware and how does it interacts with your shell and your operating system? What exactly shell is, of course, this is the main thing we wanted to know. How the shell scripting works. There are so many types of shells. There are corn shell, there are bash, there are seashell, and so many that I will cover in this lesson. Then we will have starting a shell. How are you going to start a shell? If you are logged into your Linux machine and by default you have a bash shell and you want to switch to a different shell, how do you do that? Then we'll cover how you could run a shell script. So you have created a script. Now, how do you run it? So this is a few things, very basic ones that you should really know. And this is like a fundamental things that you should understand and put it somewhere, deep in your head that outside of these are like actual guidelines that you have to follow in order to run a perfect shell script. So you would know when if there is an error message or if there's a problem when you're running a shell script, why did it happen? This section will explain you if you really go through it.